Okay, here we are. 6 times 3. Okay, last stage. Here we go. We already know the mechanics, so we gotta make this fast. Because we're late, I have to make this fast. I don't wanna read the introductions anymore. Crueler than pirates, scarier than ghosts, and riskier than a runaway train. In Kellen's Tycoon Town, you'll play an unbelievably dangerous game. Some real estate to dominate the town. No thanks, we're late. Or maybe over a few seconds. In this duel, whoever of you earns first stars first to win. Here's how you get them. Whenever you pass by a hotel, you can borrow your coins into the place by giving your cash to Athena. For example, if I spend 5 pesos there, then whoever has invested the most coins in the hotel will then become its owner, and the owner gets its star. Now here's when it gets brutal. Real estate is quite competitive. You could probably steal a hotel. Like that. For example, to steal a hotel, stuff more coins into the place than anyone else has, then you'll become the new owner. Now here's the plot twist. If your cash plus everyone else's amount adds up to the certified amount, for example, si Ate Sugar Mercado ay naging 30 na, that hotel will grow. From a 1-star hotel, will turn to a 2-star hotel. Pero sino magwagi? Only the owner. Now that's how you get stars here. And a truly wealthy one make 3-star hotels. And Block steals with 100. Got that? Seize, raid, develop, abolish, whatever it takes to get your 4 stars. That's right. Let's go, everybody. Tayo na, tignan isa, tissue paper cut. Ay, naku, isang photos na lang. Inga. Here's the gift to get you going. Make the most out of the 10 pesos. Ito na yung 10 pesos, bigay mo na. Where's the nearest hotel then? Right there, and you can be the first one to own it for only a peso. What a steal. Ito na, laro na tayo. I'm gonna win. Kailangan ko mag 4 stars. Ako talaga yung manalo ngayon. Manalo. Kaya mo talaga. Ready, wow. Lord, di na maganda. Yes. 6, 5. What candy did I get kanina? Yes. Alright, I'm ready to play. Yeah, I'm ready to run. What the heck? Okay, here comes my money. Pwede ko gastos ng 13 pesos para sa akin yung hotel na to. Yahoo! Ay, naku, Ate Barbie Imperial. Ito na talaga yung gusto mo, ha? Galing mo talaga, Ate Barbie Fortesa. Ate Barbie needs only 3 more stars to win. Oh yeah, 3 more stars. That's it. Ay nako, laban na tayo. Eto na talaga. Kung kailangan mo ng laban, eto na. Wala ako manalo, hindi ka manalo. Siyempre talaga manalo, kansa na ako. Kailangan ko manalo para mag-unang pera. Ay nako, iwan ko na sa'yo. Tayo na, wala tayo sa inyong oras. Paborito ko yan. Paborito ko talaga yung circle na yan. Ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot lang. Tayo na mga masabi. Ito na talaga. Paborito ko talaga. Ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot lang. Ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot lang. That's my favorite. Here we go. Turn around. Here we go. Faster. Punta tayo sa inyong oras. Bilisan mo. Hurry. Oh, no. Up. Bilisan mo. Ay, nako, gago. Bilisan mo. Bilisan. Yes! Woo! Yaha! I'm the winner! Siyempre, dahil dyan, ako na lang yung panalo. Ewan na sa'yo. Puta, ito na kamalas sa'yo. Sa akin yung pera na yun, ha? Ay, naku, wala. We're just wasting our time. Next! Oh, that was it. I think I already know what to do with that. Alam mo, magsugal pa ako, pero I will not nasugal. Yes! Yun po, I will not nasugal. Para mas mabilis, ito na lang. Lord, sana manalo na ako. Kailangan ko mapera. Kailangan ko na at least 40 pesos. Para sa mga bituin ko. Lord, kaya ko to. Ay, thank you Lord, this is so relaxing. Let's go. Okay, the 160 plus, we can do this. Yes! I won! Ay, naku Lord. Okay, well done, Rappy. You covered the challenge. Now throw a dart. Pwede! Ay, naku, 5 pesos. Ang tanga! Wala pa akong pera. I guess you better add up. I have to do a specific number with it. Ay, nako, 6-7! Lucky 7! Grabe! 30! Ay, nako! Yahoo! 30 pesos! Yahoo! 6-7! 6-7! 30 pesos! Tainga mo! Gago ko talaga. Kunin talaga yung balak mo sa 30 pesos na yan. Kailangan ko manalo ng bituin. Kailangan ko manalo. Tapos ikaw manalo ka talaga. Butaya talaga. Ay, naku, naiinis na ako. Paano ko mananalo kung iyaw talaga na manalo ka? Tainga mo! Ibali, may balak na ako. Para magsira ko ng mga bituin mo, mga bobo ka. Yehey! I got a star! Yahoo! Di na nakakatuwa! Sana dapat ako na talaga yung may-iron ng hotel na to! Putay ka mo! Bobo! Lord, please, sana makata to, ah! Yes! 4! Alam ko na! Eto na, bayad ko na! 12 pesos! At kaya na! Yan! Para sa akin na to! Sa akin yung hotel na yan! Para 2-star hotel! The total investment in this hotel has reached up to 20 pesos. We could probably build up this hotel. I got 2 stars! Yeah! Yay! Rappy needs only 2 more stars to win. Keep up the good work. Sayang lang talaga yung pera ko. Nine. Hay, naku, pwede tayo mag-versus minigame na yun. Yes! Eddie, wow! Pwede tayo kami mag-pera. Oh, so he thought. Wala tayong pera. Dahil dyan, kung sino manalo, magwawagi ng 10 pesos. Kaya namin to, maglaro tayo. Tara na, Ate Ara San Agustin. Kailangan ko manalo. Please, give us the easiest game. Easy, easy. Ay, nako, nagubat na naman tayo. Sa isang madilim na gubat na sa walang kwenta sa kwento ko. Putay ka talaga. Oh yeah, so that's going to win. Putay mo talaga. Kung manalo ka, ewan ko sa'yo. Putay mo talaga. Wala akong pera dahil sa inyo. Lord, sa manalo na ako. Lord, please. Lord, please. Gago, malis! Isa. Pagkanan mo kasi. Yes. Ang laki talaga. So that's the winner! Yahoo! Yeah! Kailangan ko makapera. 9. Nope. Ay, naku, wala akong pera. Tarantado naman. I'm going to win! Huwag kang mag-nakaw ng pera sa hotel ko. Ito na yung balak ko. I'll try to speed up and get there quick. Lord, sana maganda? 6 2 7 Sayang, wala ka akong pera na yun. No thanks. Alam ko na, magsugal na ako. Sana manalo ko dito ha. Lord, please. Where's my face? Sana, Lord! Ay, naku, malapit na. Malapit na. Nga talaga. Kayo ko talaga yun na to. Magsugal na ako na walang kwenta. Nagtado. Ay, nakupo na kung manalo talaga si Ate Ira San Agustin. O si Ate Jimar. O si Ate Ribs. Wala na akong duda. Kung manalo na yan, ewan ko sa'yo. Ako sa'yo, wala na akong pera. Naks. Ay, naku, kung manalo yun, ewan ko na ako. Huwag na ako yung mag-between ko. Wala na akong between. Wala na akong magagawa. 0 na ako. Unless I call Kuya Mil for help. Or Kuya Brent for help. Tulong! How can you? Anyhow. Oh yeah, so that's the winner! Oh yay, I got my 2 stars! Yahoo! Not funny! Dahil sa kurakot! Oh yeah, Rafi, did you see that? I'm really gonna win this time! I'm going to win! Not funny. Wala na akong pera, wala akong dito. Ay, naku, ewan ko na dyan. Unless I do something. 9! No thanks. No thanks. I'll not spend for anything na first until I get money. Yes! Kailangan ko to. 2. No thanks. How much more do I need? Ay, nako, 14 pesos pa. Dami pa. What a fierce competition! I'm impressed. Now let's take a look at the standings. Well, look at this. It looks like Ate Clarissa is likely the winner. The way how things are going, Rafi is sure to lose. So let's give him a boost. You all want a good fight, right? So let's see if this evens the odds. So Rafi, take on the dart wheel to get your present. Ay, naku, saan na maganda to? 20! Yes! At dyan na yan. Rafi gets 20 pesos. Ay, salamat para sa panalo ko. Para hindi ako magduda. Ito na. Although I haven't go a long way though. Now let's see you all do your best. Don't freak out, Rafi. I know you still have a chance to win. This is ridiculous. I'm not even winning. Not even a single bit. And where am I gonna spend my money? Utay ka talaga. Ayoko talaga yung mabagal. Malaki. Yes. Anyhow, versus na naman tayo. Magsasayang na naman yung oras kayo dito. Kung sakali talaga manalo na naman ako, matalo na naman ako, tayo nakatado ka. I tell you the truth. Ay, naku, sana dapat di ako matatalo dito. Tarantado ka! Wow. Kaya ko yan, Ate Aaron sa Rusin. Oh, no, this is not good. Bilisan mo, bilisan mo! Yes! Ay, salamat sa Panginoon. Ginoon ko lahat. Ito na yung pera ko. Bigay mo na. 5 pesos! Ito na! Ay, naku, taas. Eh di wow. Ha, Rabbit! Tatagalan pa tayo dito? Tatagalan pa! Kung matagal pa tayo dito, ewan ko na sa'yo! Sana tapat kung manalo na ako, ewan ko na dyan. Lord, please! Give me a good number, huwag yung maliit! Ay, nako, yan na naman talaga tayo. Ah! Alam ko na! May balak na ako. Ay, nako, I already know what that does. Ay, buti nga talaga she didn't land on the specific space. Ang talino, ang galing. I don't know what to do. Para panalo na ako. If ever, give me a good number. Give me 3. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Sana makanta yung bawi ko, ha? 5 pesos lang. No thanks. Yes! And it's Brother Adam here. Psst. Just for you. Psst. Hello, brother. Just for you. I'm gonna take money from Ate Cat. Okay. You can, on the window right over there. Magkano yung bawi? Ay, salamat. Thank you, Lord. May chance pa ako sa pagnanalo. Thank you, Lord. 13 pesos for the win. May balak na ako dito. See you around the block, buddy. Thanks, Brother Adam. The only problem is, ang layo naman talaga eh. Holy shit! Kung manalo na yan, wala na tayong magagawa. Ay, nako, dyan na naman tapos na naman yung laro ko. Kung saan panalo na yan, ewan ko na dyan. Puta, init. Unless may balak ako. Marami na akong ipon. Tapos this happened. Ay, nako. Kahit ganoon talaga, I asked for big. They gave me small. I asked for small. They gave me big. Ang malas yung die talaga. Kaya eto na. 50 na. Wala na akong choice. Dahil dyan. Yay! The total investment of the hotel has reached up to 50 pesos. Therefore, I gotta start! Yahoo! I win! Wutay nga! Stop this psycho mortality! This spending must stop. We have a winner! That's right, folks. This duel belongs to Ate Cat. Congratulations! Ay, naku, sana dapat manalo ako dito. Utay ka talaga, natalawan ako. Oh, yeah! So that's the winner! And here's the reason why. I won at the eyeball contest, and I was able to and even though you steal money from me, it's the hotel, and you tried to steal money, and I'm still the winner! Yeah! Utay ka kayo! Kurakot si Duterte. Kailangan ko magpera. Wala akong pera. Kung kailangan ko kung kailangan marami akong pera, eto, magnakaw. Alamat na mga kurakot. Dito na yung lagay sa records ko. Tapos ibalita na yan ni Ate Bernadette Sobrano at si Zen Hernandez. Ibalita mo na yan yung mga kurako dito 30. Ayoko na. Utay mo. At saka ilagay mo yan sa KMJS na yan. Lagay mo na yan sa R-rated Corina. Yung mga galit ko kay Duterte. Walang kwenta si Rodrigo Duterte. Mga bobo kayo. Wala na akong pera. Pero next time na lang ulit. Next time tayo bawi. Whew. Yeah, next time, let's play again. Yoo! Wilis ka na dyan, wiset!